64th question is related to external sector of India, and we are given three statements. In these three statements, we are asked about trade between India and Sri Lanka, India and Bangladesh, and status of Nepal in the last 5 years. So these are the options. Let's read the statements. The value of Indo-Sri Lanka trade has been consistently increased in the last decade. The textile and textile articles constitute an important item of trade between India and Bangladesh. In the last 5 years, Nepal has been the largest trading partner of India in South Asia. See, the meaning of consistently increased is very ambiguous, and as long as we are not told about time frame, मतलब कितने टाइम का गैप लेना है कि year by year, on an yearly basis or a monthly basis or quarterly basis, it is very difficult to provide the correct answer. Anyhow, it rarely happens that trade between two countries increases on a uniform accelerating scale. There has to be some downs and falls. This is the natural procedure, or this is the nature of international trade between two countries. So as long as we are not given the basis or time period, like quarterly, annually, daily, until then we are not able to solve the question or say that this statement is absolutely correct. So this is very ambiguous statement, and due to its ambiguity, this statement can be straight away eliminated. On the basis of that, we are either left with option B or option C. So textile and textile articles constitute an important part of trade between India and Bangladesh. See, in 2016, those who have read the economic survey in 2016 or those who are preparing for UPSC since 2016 would have noticed that trade between India, Bangladesh and India, Vietnam or India, Myanmar saw a very dramatic shift with respect to trade in textile and textile articles. Due to increasing cost of labor in China, more and more textile industries were shifting from Vietnam and Bangladesh, shifting to Bangladesh and Vietnam, and as a result, the productivity of Bangladesh and Vietnam with respect to textile articles is increasing in terms of exports. So statement 2 is definitely correct. And if statement 2 is correct, then statement 3 is incorrect through elimination. Let's see the correct answer in explanation here. Here, option B is the correct answer, which says only second statement is correct and first and third are incorrect. Reason given here that bilateral trade between India and Sri Lanka recorded almost consistent decline since last year until July 2020. So as I said, there is never consistent increase. There has to be some falls and downs. Okay, so that's why statement 1 was incorrect. And statement 2 is correct. As I mentioned, the reason that more and more industries started to shift, which were dealing in apparel, textiles, and leather, started to shift from China to Bangladesh, and as a result, Bangladesh and Vietnam were increasing their exports to India with respect to apparels, leather, and textiles. So, due to this reason, share of Bangladesh in textile industries, in textile articles has increased, and due to this reason only, Bangladesh has become the largest trading partner of India in the last few years. So this was our question 64. Let's see the next one.